Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you method I used to get to sales on Digistore. I was not working on it full time, but sure it is the best method I can see because you are targeting the people who are interested in your product, the product you are promoting. So in this video I'm going to show you the method I used, the product I used, and the traffic source I used to get these sales. So this is the report you can see. Let me refresh so you can see. This is not a screenshot. So go to the marketplace. I have opened in this tab and go to the marketplace of Digistore and go to the fitness and health. So here is the product I used. It's called Essential Keto Book, which is physical book, but it's free. And you might be wondering, what if it is free and it says 0% commission, how are we gonna make money? So as you can see, the price of this book is free, but they need to pay for the shipping cost. It is 10.13 euros. So this so anybody when someone buy this product, you will get 4.21 euros, which is equals to 4.57 euros, sorry, dollars. So you need to click on the button like this, promote now, and it will give you this link like this one. You need to copy that link and come over to bit.ly, and you need to convert it, shorten it. As you can see, I shortened this link, and 29 clicks are from 29 clicks are from Facebook. That is the traffic source I used to get sales. Now let me show you what I did exactly. I went on the Facebook and joined some keto related groups. As you can see, group I used this group, keto and low carb recipes for beginners. It has 1.8 million members. I use this group. You don't need to paste your link directly because they will block you. You just need to interact with the people who are interested in the recipes. So here you need to contact the people who are looking for recipes for their meal, but they don't want to get fed. So let me see. This one. This person is looking for easy but tasty recipe for bread. So what you need to do, you need to tell her, make the script like this, saying we are giving away free keto cookbook to our followers, or to our fans, or to keto beginners, and tell them it's free. You just need to pay for shipping and paste your link. This is the link I use. So as you can see, this is the product I was promoting. You don't need to worry about the conversion. This site will convert the people for you. You just need to drive traffic on this site. So another method you can use is you can post on different groups, but you don't need to paste your link directly. So what I did was I just write a script here. Saying this, guys, I just wanted to say that I have received my free physical keto cookbook, and somebody just want to say that if anybody needs it, contact me. I will love to help. And you just need to copy this, make something like that, and post in different groups. They will surely accept your post because you are not pasting any link. You are not violating their rules. If you paste your link directly, you are violating their rules, and you will get blocked and even kicked out of the group, and you don't want that. You don't need to rush it. You just need to wait for the people who are interested in your product. You need to convert the people which are interested, not the people who don't want to buy that book. So Surely, I'm sure they will contact you and ask you for the link of the book to purchase. And the other traffic source I used was the Instagram. I just went to Instagram and search for hashtag keto cookbook, and here I click on one of the hashtags, and which is these hashtags I use in mm, different posts. As you can see, you just need to go to one post which has good likes on it, and go to, for example, their profile. Sorry, this is that was the private, but this, as you can see, this person is mm, this person has this person is real, and it is they like keto cookbook. So what you need to do is, again, you are telling them we are giving free keto cookbook, and you need to contact at least 100 people a day, and surely they will convert. Mm, the special link like this, and it will show a nice keto cookbook picture, and they can claim their cookbook from here. So this was the traffic source I used to get my sales. I was not working on it full time, but now I'm sure this is the best traffic source. It's free and fast. You don't need to pay for anything. You just need to look for the people who are interested in keto cookbook and throw your link in their inbox, and that's it. So thank you for watching. uh, See you next time. Stay tuned to our channel. Subscribe, like, and share to help your friends, and have a good day.